Okay, welcome to Eyes Open Networks YouTube channel. This is what we do in our community as what a family. So almost most of the moves that happen in the market, some of them we predict. You can't be 100% right in the market, right? But most of them we always predict them before they actually happen, right? We always predict them. Even they sell most of them before they actually happen. The top what mentors in Eyes Open FX. So I actually see it even the EU sell, how I miss it a little, but this morning, today, EU we took it perfect and what clean. Range structure what entry. Alright, you can actually see it here. Why we joined the trend, the first DP and our last DP. So the price still selling and we are still what in the move. So that's just how it works. So you can actually do better if you join the community. So that's just it. So today we'll be dealing with deeper understanding about swing point low and swing point high. All right, so from the previous session we mentioned it. The first session we are able to talk about this swing point. So but I want to make sure that everyone understands everything about it. All right, now if you are looking at this in a bearish trend, now you understand that this is support on resistance, is support on resistance, is support on resistance. The same thing for a bullish trend. Market continue creating a higher high, swing point high, swing point high to the what upside. So this is just majorly for what bullish trend. So a resistance what turns support, resistance turn support. That is the idea of what we call a swing point high. Market creating series of what swing point high. So this is for bullish trend. Why this is for what a bearish trend. So now let's discuss about this bearish trend first. So now for us to say that this is a major swing point high and a swing point low, it must be that this high, any of these highs that I'll be marking here, any of these highs, any of these highs, that these highs, there must be the one that will form a lower low, and there will be what the swing point in this bullish move. There will be the swing point that is the highest high in this little buy move here, in this up movement here. Right, there must be what the highest high there for us to say that this is what the swing point high. So this low is a swing point low. Why? Because it's the lowest low that was formed after market broke this low before this buy move occur. All right, so that's what we call a swing point low and a swing point high. So the same thing here, a swing point low, a swing point low, then a swing point high. So because this one is the one that what made price to come and take this swing point low, so that is the one that we call what the major swing point high. So that is the idea of what a major swing point high is that you actually see here. So all these are what major swing point high, all these highs here. So they are all what major swing point high. So this will lead us to understand what we call expansion and what correction wave. Expansion and what correction wave. So that will be our next topic. So we'll be explaining it just like what we did here. We'll be explaining it deeper in understanding expansion and what and corrective wave. So stay tuned. Good luck. Good trading.